Hey guys, what's up? Cut you off.
It was me again.
We're gonna do a little shocker video. You don't know what could be here, or do
they
you
all
do?
have the same color. We all know.
I
All
think
right.
it's all Evolving Skies.
No, but I don't know what PokeVin might have. He's known to throw some curveballs. But stick around.
It's all green code cards.
You've proven that one wrong, so you're up first, PokeVin.
Let's go, baby. We got some battle styles for you today.
I'll go second, and PokeKyle third.
Hey, PokeKyle,
Yo.
what are you chasing?
Now that you've
Skies.
pulled everything.
I'm not even close. Well, I mean, the long-term goal is the master set for Evolving Skies, but that's
What are you trying to pull tonight?
definitely Rayquaza VMAX alternate.
Oh, the one that I pulled.
No, you got the V.
V.
VMAX.
I always get
I want
the
the
V.
VMAX.
Victory Bell.
Claydol.
And Claydol. All right,
Go
me
ahead,
next.
PokeRob.
Evolving Skies.
But some of the alternates of the evolutions would be pretty sick. Too.
I would love one of those in this. Sorry, guys.
PokeRob, the Poke struggle is real.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
How many fucking packs have you opened? You still can't open cards.
Hold that for a minute. I gotta tie my shoe.
Hold
Oh, your
that
nose
for a
might. I'm surprised your nose didn't suck that one.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go with electric.
Water.
Because I'm electrifying. Oh, Psyche. OJ's Popsicle after
cool.
killing Anna Nicole. Pikachu. Birthday Cake, Lil Pup, Emolga, Lil Pup, and
Dumbass.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Umbreon.
Umbreons.
Umbreon.
Kyle, would you, accept salt and pepper for your beard?
It's definitely salt and pepper. Not that I like it, but it's true.
Pokey Salt and Pepper.
So my girlfriend was like, "Who's Kyle?" And I said, "The guy with the salt and pepper beard."
And she's like, "Oh yeah, that guy."
No,
Oh.
she still didn't know who you were. It's like the guy that doesn't drink, and she was like,
Oh, him.
"Oh yeah, that guy."
The only sober one that comes over.
Water.
Electric. Oh, leaf. Water's weakness.
Shopping center. Lantern or something.
Phoebus. Hippopotokyle.
You baby.
Lil Pup.
Dumbass.
What would you just say?
Every time. Reverse
Eevee. Nice
and
card. And doo-doo-doo.
Stoutland.
Pokey Big Nose. It's your
Bro,
go.
he's called that. He's already pulled that like 3 times. The EV reverse.
Doesn't matter.
Still
It's
like,
still...
oh, that's a good card.
That's a good card, guys. It's just a common.
Yeah. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh, it was
I
upside
opened
down.
the pack logs. Here you go with the white code card, PokeKyle.
Let's see what you get.
Steel.
OJ's gym bag.
Ball toy, Glarger.
Logger.
Glarger. Hey! Let's go, baby!
Oh,
Yeah!
that's 2 in one night.
Is that level ball?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Wow.
2 in one
Two
night.
golds in one. Is this all for the
Wow.
same
Wow.
Yeah, it is. No, but
That's all for
it's
the
a
same-
mix though. It's a
Oh, I thought it was
Wow.
the box you had left over.
Wow.
Sheesh. Well, PokeVin's in the lead in this video so
I
far.
seriously do not know whose go it is. My go?
Yeah, you're up. You're up there, PokeRob.
I think,
It's a fucking tin.
I know, it's my,
Why should you put it on my cards?
I'm not gonna lie, I think the only thing that could beat this is an Evolution full art. That's coming to mind. Fighting.
water. Steel.
OJ, or no,
Your
Mike
mask.
Myers mask.
O.J. Simpson's mask.
Well,
for when he
whatever.
murdered his wife or whatever it was.
I'm trying to escape, guys.
Stoutland.
And doo-doo. What a waste of time.
Wishy-washy.
Battle styles. I just need 1 card and then I'm done with you. All right.
What
I'll
card
never buy
might
you
that
again.
be, Pokey Nose?
Tyranitar, VMAX. It's an
Alternate.
alternate art. Or it might be a V. Is it VMAX or V?
I don't know.
I honestly can't.
I'd have to look it up and see what's out there.
The sleeping Tyranitar after he just ate a buffet of food.
Like
That's the
That
Snorlax.
sounds cute.
Like Snorlax and
It is.
Kanto
It's
eating
mad
all the
cute,
island's
but
food.
Fire.
That's the card we need.
Water.
Water.
Oh,
Lightning.
lightning. Here you go, PokeVin, your cards.
Gracias.
Uh-oh, OJ's,
Hypno.
OJ's
Yep.
Hypno.
no, his,
Emolga.
he's going to space to run away from murders.
Slakoth. Gossiflower. Dream Ball.
Oh boy,
and
Doo-doo.
Dialga.
I think I
Is
have
this
that.
seriously my turn again, or is it
Yeah.
PokeVin? Oh,
No,
man.
you're up.
I feel like we
Oh, wait,
screwed up
no.
this order.
No, it's PokeVin.
It's PokeVin, then man.
How
My
many
bad, I
How many
forgot to-
packs do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Well, I have 4.
Well, that means you didn't pull enough. Do you have more?
Wait, are we doing 8
We're
packs?
we're doing
we said
8.
8. Go ahead and open. I got you 2 packs right
Alright, I'll open.
No,
Oh,
I just grabbed 2 packs for him.
Sorry, guys. We're still
A little
figuring this out.
miscommunication, that's
We're
all.
still figuring it out with 2. Now we got 3, but we'll get there.
I just throw a wrench into everything.
No, you didn't. You just made the content a little bit better.
I thought we were doing 6 packs.
Wow, you did that
Well,
one great.
no.
bro.
Well, that's only... Well, you've had to hit at the
I
front.
thought the code card trick was a little different this one. 6 and 6.
Doo-doo!
Alright, now it's my turn. Hopefully I don't. Oh wait, we're doing 9 packs?
9.
I have a hit. I have a hit. I have a hit. I
I
guarantee
promise
it.
you, PokeRob guarantee
I'm going with fire.
lightning.
Dark.
I have a hit.
Yeah.
I don't care, Oven Mitch.
OJ Simpson's other bitches.
Seismitoad,
He's got the
Pokenose.
pizzas.
Sableye. Can you stop Carvana? Emolga.
And
Oh.
Trevenant VMAX.
I will take it.
It's PokeRob's tree in his front yard.
At least I have a healthy tree in my front yard. I have an apple tree in my yard.
That's so nice.
The
Oh,
bees
man.
are everywhere.
I got a bush that doesn't grow.
We're gonna play a new yard and lawn in my
I
backyard.
got 10 weed plants in my basement.
Sorry, guys.
We're starting small.
The condition of Evolving Skies, Pokemon definitely ramped up their printing process, or I don't know, they did something a little different
Alright.
because the condition of these sets are much improved.
Fighting.
Psychic.
I'm a fight.
Oh!
PokeRob's a psychic.
PokeRob's a dumbass.
Here, let's give y'all a code card. Sorry, PokeKyle, I'm
Yeah,
not stealing your
fuck
thunder.
you.
Fuck you.
Cutie fly.
Cutie fly. Birthday cake.
Applin,
Lil Pop.
Definitely an apple.
Reverse.
Fletcher Durs.
And
Melodic.
Doo-doo.
I know these names now because I play Pokemon the TCG.
This
Kyle.
tin's getting full.
PokeKyle, is this the last fucking whatever packs you have of this booster box?
I got like 4 more in there, and then I got to get to my second one.
Damn, you might not have nothing in this whole thing.
I still, I got
Holding out hope.
we got 9 packs to open left with this one.
Holding
I have
out
5
hope.
left. Slowpoke. Timber.
And
Doo-doo! Doo-doo!
Whose go is it? My go. Alright, come on, guys. Wish PokeRob some hippopotamus. Kyle. You know what? I'm just.
you got just the hits. Those went everywhere.
Oh no!
Where's your hit?
I don't know.
Nothing but the hits.
Oh, here it is.
Uh,
It's a Salamence.
Salaman's Holler.
I got Butterfingers.
Loaded. Oh,
Wow.
man.
It exploded on impact.
Well, I
Just
guess
like
that
your
means
nose on oxygen.
I guess that means I'm going then.
Sorry, guys. Apologies.
That was good.
No, it
That made
wasn't.
me
That was
laugh.
embarrassing.
That
as
made me
crap.
giggle.
Why, baby, giggle.
We got 4 packs left, guys. Halfway through this video. Let's make it count.
Steel.
Fighting. Oh,
Ooh.
good job, PokeKyle.
Oh,
Scraggy,
Scruffy,
Scruffy.
whatever it's called.
OJ's popsicle after I murdered
OJ's
my wife.
Ice cubes.
Latoad,
Lotad.
Sableye, Teddiursa, Mareep, Zora.
The Rape Bell, I think you called it one time.
Oh!
Jolteon VMAX. Don't have that one yet.
Wow!
Add that to the collection. Pokey, Lucky.
Nice.
Look at the Irish.
Centering's a
Wow.
You're lucky with dumbass.
Your luck of the nose. Hey, look, that's PokeVin's dogs. The back walls. I'm taking that cool card.
Oh, he just snagged it.
Yep, damn right I did. Because when I build my set, I'm gonna whoop your ass. Wow, screw you. I don't even. Claydol. Oh, I already put my hit in the binders.
Oh, you put it in the middle of the video? I always wait till the end, guys.
I don't care. That was a gold card.
American Express. Gold card.
It's
Yeah,
better than
I pulled 2 gold cards since we opened, and I didn't do that.
You haven't put anything in anywhere. I got a hit. I don't
I
care.
put Houndoom in the binder.
I got Psychic.
Water.
Oh, Leafs. Fletchender. Lantern. Dumbass
Water.
Energy.
Woobat. He's all self-conscious because we're making fun of it.
Temple.
Water.
Cutifies.
Water.
And...
Doodoo.
Talonflame.
Okay. Can you stop pinching my nipples?
Rayquaza pack.
Y'all know who gives out mad code cards. Thumbs down below for PokeRob.
Dumbass.
Thumbs down for Pokenose, and some kind of a reference to Dungeons and Dragons for PokeKyle. Salt Shaker. Salt Shaker beans.
I already saw it.
I'm gonna go with fire.
Water.
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 Put out the fire with some water.
Full face guard.
Full face guard.
Hip ball.
Hip ball.
Oh,
Vigoroth.
Vigoroth.
Scraggy.
You guys hate on
Bagon.
Nah, I just think it's funny.
Temple. Timepole. Sharpedo.
Sharpedo.
And dumbass.
Oh!
Dracozolt V. I got the full art of this in another video.
Is it seriously my go?
Yeah. No.
No, it's my go.
Vin's.
Oh, PokeVin, you're right.
Vin, he
Apologies,
started
bro. My bad. Poke dumbass, I'll admit it.
We all know it.
Yeah, we already knew that, dude.
Well, I knew that, dog. I'm gonna show the code card.
And it's a green code card.
You don't know that.
I already seen it.
How?
Dumbass.
Dumbass!
Alright, PokeRob.
The Poke Rabbi. Is this beer kosher? Oh, that's Jewish. I know something tonight. First time something was said I know.
Coffee.
I'm gonna go with lightning.
Fire.
Oh! Smack dab in your pokey pussy face.
I just assumed
Emolga.
Woobat. Gossiflor.
Feebas. Hippopotami.
Who's that Pokemon? It's
Glaceon.
Oh!
Is that V or VMAX?
Oh! VMAX!
Wow.
Glaceon!
That's the alternate art.
Oh, with
That's a
Pikachu.
fucking beautiful card.
With Pikachu.
There's a bunch. I think there's other Pokemon in the water too.
Oh, thank you guys. I'm probably done for the night, but to me that was
This-
worth it. I love the evolution.
Can I see that up closer?
Yeah, bro.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Yeah, it's nice. The Evolution VMAX alts are really nice.
Pokemon, you did good.
You done good,
Damn.
son.
I mean,
Sleever, baby.
Wow.
Sleever.
not gonna lie, I'm a Wizards of the Coast guy, but Pokemon, the company itself, has done a pretty damn good job. Especially within these newer sets after
You could
Steam
probably
Siege.
sell that for like $250, bro.
I don't know about that.
We'll check it out in between.
We'll check it out. Sorry for the length of the video, guys, but I'm pretty excited. Shout out to Pokey Jess. Sorry, Jess. I'm the loud ass.
Let's see what we got here.
Coffee.
What's going on?
Wow, I can't believe I pulled that. I'm so happy. I'll give out a code card.
You do that all the time anyway. Dark, Shelgon.
What happened?
Who is that?
Zubat was Swada.
Swoobat.
Swoobat. Sorry.
Loadmeyer, whatever.
Temple, Litleo, Eevee, Cutiefly, Hitmonchan,
Reverse
Ampharos.
Ampharos, and
No, Zygarde.
another Zygarde.
I never pulled that before, guys.
Now I have two. I'm running out of room in this tin.
2 packs left, guys. 2 packs left.
For all of us, including this one right here.
And
Water.
An Asian lady's fan. Slowpoke. Jeez.
Bellsprout.
Uh-oh.
Was that
The fuck is that?
Suicune? Oh,
Mian
Min
Chishu.
Chao.
Sounds like fucking Chinese food.
That's
I have an order of
racist.
Mian Chao.
Oh, it's my go. It's my
Yeah,
bird.
I'm waiting for you. I'm just getting ready,
I'm just getting ready.
so I don't take forever like PokeRob.
PokeRob. Who's winning this video? I'm winning most. I'm going with water.
Fire.
Oh, PokeKyle. Bringing the heat to my pull. Oh, I'm going to look at PokeVin. Hit my Chad. Gotta hit my nose. Oh. Oh. Mike
Spirit
Myers mask and doo-doo. Seismitoad doo-doo.
Umbreon pack. Second to last for me. Oh, that just ripped down the middle.
That was the perfect opening.
Alright. 4 from the back.
Psychic.
Dark.
Note down below, we're going to have more viewers going forward. Ooh, we're both dumb.
Stormy Mountain.
Oh,
Shelgon.
Shulk,
Ice Cube.
How are we gonna have more viewers?
Zorua. I can never remember that one's name.
Pet Lil.
Petalil. Can't even see what
Yeah,
that
no,
is.
sorry.
Drowsy. Reverse boot shake.
That's
And
O.J. Simpson's
Rape whistle. No, Anna Nicole, no.
one pack magic.
One pack magic.
Uno.
Uno.
We're playing Uno.
Tele uno.
Telemundo.
Sorry,
about to
PokeKyle, I'm taking that. Ooh.
That's fine. He's been giving me
Ooh.
half. You take half. Give half to the people. I don't care.
No, I don't always, but I do want to beat your ass on Pokemon TCG. Ooh.
Doo-doo!
You know what the last couple sets have been missing? Last pack for Poke Candy Corn. Charizard.
Yeah.
That
They
definitely,
seem
I
to have
mean,
gotten away.
Evolutions definitely was a soft spot for us
Okay, but
millennials.
celebrations.
I'm just saying.
Can't wait. Yeah, it'll be. I haven't really even looked at what's going to be in it, but.
From where we're at right now,
Base set Charizard with the Pikachu logo on it.
Wow.
definitely, we're a week out from the newest set.
Dating
Can't
the
wait.
video.
And the prices are mediocre right now, but I'm going with
Prices are
electric.
always medium.
Fire.
Well, depending on where you get it from.
Psychic.
Sheldon. Ice Cube.
Full face card.
I'm going.
Hippopotarob? Oh.
PokeKyle. Oh no, sign.
Sigh.
Rufflet. Drowsy. Scraftree or whatever. And Doodoo. I ended on Doodoo. But I don't care. I definitely.
Last-
Whoa.
You're throwing your good card.
I don't even care. I won the video.
Well, we'll see. I got last pass
He
match.
has to,
Last
he has
last
to pull
pass.
something fire.
patch
He
match.
has to pull something fire.
I'm Aaron Rodgers. Last pass back.
I haven't even gotten two
He just threw his whole
VMAXs.
fucking his whole board.
I haven't even gotten two VMAXs yet, so
Last pass.
I just got one.
Last pass. I gotta go to church, guys. Last
All
pass.
right, fire.
Water to put out your
Water.
steam.
Leaf.
Wait, so it's cool when you say it in the English accent.
English accent.
Elemental badge.
Carvana, nah.
Gossifleur.
I need a car, guys.
Fletchling.
Fletchinder.
Scraggy.
Hippopotami. I win.
Hypno.
Hypno.
Reverse,
Ooh, I like that.
And hey, look,
Shitty
it's
Shift
Shitty
Tree.
Shift Tree.
PokeRob.
Hope you guys made it to the end.
I definitely, I like
Shout
the
out.
Jolteon though.
Let me know who you guys think won.
I mean, it's definitely. Well, yeah.
I think we all had a good night. That's pretty
Yes,
equal.
sir.
Pretty
We
equal.
all had a good video.
Hope you guys made
I
it.
love it.
Thanks. Peace out.
Peace.
And Poke.